Hello everybody and welcome to Thisssss. Today we have this Tesla Model 3 Performance and my colleague Nicky is going to tell you a bit more.
To yet another video of Thisssss. Is one of the newest videos of Thisssss. Today we are going to do the POV of the Tesla Model 3 Performance. And as you can see, we have loads of very nice red details on this car. It's a custom wrap. On some parts of the car we have the red calipers here, and we also have the red Tesla badge, as you can see here. And of course we have these very big 20-inch alloys that come with the performance pack, of course. And we have a very nice carbon spoiler right there. And right now we're going to take it for a POV.
So we are now going on the drive and Nicky is next to me and he's gonna tell a bit more about this car.
Model 3 Performance.
Yes.
Oh, and by the way, here we have the Thisssss podcast. We already have 5 episodes, I think. They're in Dutch, dus alleen voor de Nederlandse kijkers onder ons. But maybe we were going to make a podcast in English as well. So guys, some stats about the Tesla Model 3 Performance. It has huge power, as we will shortly demonstrate. So it says that it has to have like 340 kilowatt or 462 horsepower, but I checked some information on the internet and it's probably more than 500. You have some upgrades for your Tesla and then it gives you more power. And dude, it's crazy fast. So 0 to 60 happens in around 3.7 seconds. And this is actually the fastest car that we have ever tested on the Thisssss channel. If you would like to see the 0 to 100 video of this car, you can check out in the description or click the link right here.
Right here.
Right here.
Yeah. It's still mental how fast this car is. We drove like 80. It's so fast. Much fun.
Yeah, it's insane. I just wonder how fast the Plaid is.
Yeah, that one is just losing your mind fast.
Even more insane.
It's just crazy how fast it is. And comfortable as well. It is a performance car, but it definitely delivers some very good, comfortable driving. So that's really nice. And yeah, also it's just insanely fast. But that's nothing new, but yeah, it's really fast. And now I'm going to pick up Nikki, because I can drive this all day. So if a car is behind you and you are turning your turning signal on, they still keep driving like really fast, even when you have to brake. But you don't.
They don't keep a distance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't mind.
Not really. No.
You love to have a car in the back of
I would love
your
to have a
car.
car in my ass.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's quite nice.
It's amazing.
The only thing you hear is some tire noise and air noise. It's really quiet. Hello, News. Nikki is simulating the acceleration of the car. Very nice. So everybody, thanks for watching to this video. This was a quick drive with this Tesla Model 3 Performance. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment in the description in the comments down below, and let us know what kind of car we need to test next, or which you want to see on the channel. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, check out our podcast on Spotify and some other places, I guess. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
Okay, ciao.
Ciao.